Kaboom! Yeah man, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Thank you all viewers and subscribers who've been supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Just continue to do the great work that you guys are doing. I really appreciate it guys. One love and much respect. So today I'm in the kitchen, I'm making French fried chicken guys with rice and peas, and also I'm cooking seafood boil. Alright, so just stay tuned. This is part 2. Catch it free and watch what I go on. So I already have my coconut milk boiling guys. I have my seasoning prepared and ready, my garden seasoning. So now it's ready for the rice. Yeah, so don't know, have the good old basmati rice. Yeah man. So I'm gonna wash the rice, okay guys? Remember guys, when you're washing your rice, make sure it's 3 to 4 times you wash and rinse the rice. Alright. Yeah man, it can move, isn't it? Yeah. 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 Real. But me kind of, yeah, brother, anyone anyone, because I two of them may have my mind on. I have my mind on the food truck and I have my mind on the restaurant. So you have to start from somewhere, you see me? Yeah, yeah, brother. Yeah. Yeah man, that's how business run man, especially restaurant business. But, yeah man. Brother, I have to sit down and pencil out the thing man and reason on a big man level, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah. Yeah man, you gotta have some days where it's just like, you see me? I just rotate the business. I rotate, you see me? Yeah. 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 Yeah man, you have to do it like, brother, you have to do it like somebody you work for. You have to do your costs. You have to, yeah. Yeah man, me been there already, you know brother. Me used to run my own restaurant and bar, you know. But the only thing at Jamaica still, but, you see me? So I know what it is like. You have to check your costs. Everything counts, you see me? Yeah man.